Hi guys, we're
We need
back.
3 diamonds, emerald blocks, and gold.
Hi guys, we're
gosh.
back.
Ooh,
Ganda din na
This is
ano
the
yung TV.
richness dimension.
I think we already have most of those items too.
Yeah, I already got diamonds.
Of course you do, Nico.
Yeah, and I got my gold.
Oy, maglalatag ng karton. Ilagyan ka naman ng ganyan.
Okay, I got
Oh.
18 emeralds. That should be enough for 2 emerald blocks.
Hi guys,
Perfect.
we're
Here,
back.
take my diamonds.
Okay, and
Jerome.
since the toxic portal was super big, I think we should
Make sure
definitely
don't
place
forget
it outside from now on.
Okay guys,
Shady, you got the gold? Yeah, absolutely.
we're playing
Okay, there we go.
towers
We got the
again.
rich portal, and
Ingatan
Shady's
itong
poop
karton
right
hindi
there.
para hindi
Yeah, get
malamig.
rid of that.
Let's go place it
And
outside.
I
This
make
one is probably
sure
going to be
not to
massive. Oh my
fall
goodness. Wow, so yellow. That thing is huge.
Well, I'm excited for this dimension.
I wonder if we're going to get rich just by entering
Ote,
this place.
urong ka doon.
You know what? Same. Let's go.
Nasa
Yeah.
lapit sabi ko. Ilagay mo na sa tabi.
Wow, this
Nice.
place is
Ay,
beautiful.
naku.
This is insane. Emerald blocks everywhere.
Yeah, the grass is literally just emeralds, but there's a gate stopping us.
They're keeping the brokies out.
Hey,
Yeah.
hello. Oh, Shady can just break it with his pickaxe. It's fine.
Oh, nice.
This is
There's
awesome.
English.
We got like the biggest mansion ever with ponds.
Oh my god, watch it.
Whoa.
Okay, King. I'll head over there.
Yeah, go check out what those things are doing here. Is that Nico the golem?
Hey, who's always there?
Hey yo, what
My
up?
God.
Cash.
I wish I don't care.
Oh, that's all. Hey, stop it right.
Tukan sa baba.
Imposter,
Ay,
sir.
yo.
We're actually you guys from different dimensions. Wait, I see Zoe up there too.
I'm the
Bro,
guard of
let's
this place,
just
and I'm
search
supposed to be
for
keeping King Cash safe.
Wait. Hold on a second, man. Is that a King Cash and a Queen Zoe?
I think it is.
Oh no, this is crazy. This is crazy.
And Nico's the bodyguard.
Our beloved Queen and King. You got something to say about them?
No, it's just a little different from what we have in our dimension. Hey, Mr. King Cash. Whoa. Don't get any closer, buddy. You stop there.
Hey, back it up.
Okay, well, is your wife her
Dude,
up
please
there,
don't.
Zoe? Yes.
Oh.
Why do you ask?
What?
Well, in our dimension, you guys have to
I don't know.
So cool. Hey, yeah, we may be close and a little ugly, but I think we
Saan? Sa Backlog yan.
Whoa.
Iyo.
Hey.
Dati pa.
Whoa.
Ginalingan nila.
Okay.
Nung nag-school pa si Kuya. Don't mind me, my hitboxes. Oh my god, so loud! It cannot hear my voice. You don't mess with me. I'm the Queen's Tower.
Okay, well, that was probably worth it by far. Okay, let's agree we're not going back to that dimension.
Bro, don't mind me. I'm a spam hitter. I can't find my mouse, okay? So I can press anything. Anything on anything. We have 2 minutes left. Can I even do this? You guys saw that. Bro, kumusta ito? Please don't fall. Don't fall at 3 hours. No. Ah, I got you. No. Bro, I promise you. Bro, I promise you if I don't win. Bro. Let's go! Oh my god. I keep pressing N. Oh, it fell already. That's where all my friends. Why did I fall? Natapa mo! Maybe I'll load it. Yes. No. No, please. Please, I don't care. Please. Oh yeah, I forgot to check in. Now my squishy's ice. That's right.
Kyoto sa atin.
Huh?
Kyoto.
Tingnan mo.
Ay! Amin! Nakakuha. Oy, kayo magsuklay.
Mamaya, basta pa po eh. Basa pa nga ni. I'm gonna join. I'm gonna squish it! I have to watch this.
Di matututbras.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Dahil ba kayo nakain? Ubus pa na yung kanin natin.
No. Hey, stop dancing. I'm not dancing. Nothing else. This is in the home. I know what time we got to ride the boat. Let me just call Bessie. No, they're fine. Bessie, I'm going to ride the boat. Hey! Let me just go, Bestie. I told you, boy, Bestie. I told you, boy, Bestie. I told you we need more glitter. More glitter. I told you we needed more glitter. Bouncy, 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 bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, 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 What? Aray. Ah! Go right. Yeah. Left. Right. Right. Which one? Oh! Ah! Let's go put here. Boy. Madadida! Okay. Okay. Tanawa.
Ay, hindi nabili yan doon.
Ba't may dollar dito?
Eh,
Ay! Naalala mo, nagaro kami kila Lola Vicky, parang kukuha ng ganun.
Sabi mo yan yung taong pitaka yan, Bawal yan dyan. Yung mabibili ko.
Sophie?
Hello pa.
Sophie, my mom, this is my mom's old wallet. Sophie, this is my mom's old wallet.
Hindi na.
Sophie, this is my mom's old wallet. Let's see what's inside.
Hindi.
Let's see what's inside. Let's see. Let her do it. Sophie, let's see what's inside. What the freak?
Let me.
Why is there a dollar? Why is there a dollar here?
I think that's a play money.
No, look, oh, there's no play money, oh.
Huh? Why is it there when it's in the USS or ano?
Why is there another dollar?
Yeah.
So it makes us $2. I am rich with my whole money.
You are rich as fuck.
Sophie, this is all $1, so we have 2 cents of dollars. Let's check if there's more. Nope. There's some old ID cards. And what?
So, wala yan,
Ba't nandito to?
Taong pitaka nga yan, yan mabibili. Kapalit pa yan ang Philippine money.
So, ano to? 2 pesos.
Okay.
Sophie, if we go to the US, I can literally buy. Sophie, let's play, Murderer Mystery. I'm turning this
Sige, wait.
Okay.
Real one.
But Sophie, why do we have dollars here? What the freak?
Wait, we have dollars in US.
Yeah, but why is it here in the Philippines? Why is it here in the Philippines?
What the freak? And we're 500. Oh my god, no bata.
Sophie, wag ka magmura. Na-video ako. Naka-video ako sa YouTube. I want to be sheriff. Be, join mo ako. Okay.
Dahil yung real MM2.
Okay.
Yun mga ka, real MM2.
Real MM2.
Yeah. The real MM2.
May private
I
server
trained
ka?
you enough to get the real MM2, okay?
May private server ka? May private server ka?
Okay.
Private server.
Private server. In real MM2, there's expensive private server.
Really?
We can just public, please.
Paano natin kung sino mapupunta ng murderer? Dapat yung VC sandbox na lang.
We need to beat them. Ganyan yung real MM2 players. Wait lang, Ben. Ikaw marinig. Wait lang, Ben. Wait lang. Kaya tala.
Bet, huwag ka mamunta. Pagkakapinili mo mat, kapag pangarap mo, sita, sita. Pagkakapinili mo, labas akin dito. Ako minahal mo. Sabi Pieda. I told you, she's gonna call me, so I was waiting.
Ayun, I can hear. Yung real MM2 players ay public.
Ay, Diyos ko pa.
Team tayo.
Huwag tayo magpapatayan pag talagang ikaw.
Hope I can picture.
Braka! Ano you doing? I'm gonna join you, don't worry. I got a message server that. Okay.
Wait lang.
6-7. No, it's 47. Wait.
Better in me. Wait lang. Wait.
Every Christmas, every
Wait. Wait.
Sophie, why did you get divorced?
I don't know. It's my mommy's cat. Okay. Don't worry.
What if your friends see it?
Di ba nasa iyo yun? Di ba nasa iyo yun? Binigay ko na yun. Binigay ko na nga sa iyo. Yung nga to. Wait lang ba? Ay, may pangatap ako. Joy. Join me, Beth.
Wait lang.
Beth. Join me.
Can I join? Can I join?
No, wait.
No.
No.
Sophie, iiyak na naman. Tatanggalin na naman tablet niya ito.
Sige. Okay. Kukuin na siya.
Wait a minute. Is that my twin brother? Is that my twin brother?
Join mo ako.
Jack. Di maano.
Wait lang. Join me.
Oh, wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Wait a minute. Hi. Hi. Wait a minute. Who are you? I'm using keyboard. I'm pro at keyboard. Tablet.
I
Lalabas
invite-
aking ganda. Ganda.
Yes, you want good, you want you want cute things like this, knife and gun.
Yes, how?
Click the up last button
Mamaya
doon.
agad. Be, ano ka?
Listen.
Innocent din. Innocent. Be, I'm the murderer.
Weh, hindi nga.
Ang dami nila.
Kami nila. Hindi ko mag-murder.
He's not a murderer. He's not a murderer.
Yeah.
So, pisan tayo. He's innocent.
Kulik ka lang ng coins. Kasi you can buy whatever with coins. Be, collect lang coins.
Oo nga, kumukolek ako. Share. Better die. May patay sa akin!
Sino yung, yung
Ano siya? Naka-ano siya? Nasaan na yun? Ano siya? Naka-pants na parang may star. Tapos sabi niya, I love cats. Tapos meron siyang bow at red na buhok. Paano yan? I think there's no my dad.
No.
Where do let's go?
Money
This
chop.
one. This one. This one. The black one. The black cat. The black cat one. This one after this one. Stop, I'm buying something.
Be, I will give you some knife. Click up yung app, tapos doon, katabi ng i-bed, doon may plus.
Oh my god. Huh? Ate, that's not the murder. That's not the murder. That's not the murder there. Saan?
Lagay ko mo.
Ate, sheriff. Di paano? Daga. How the sheriff dodges shots?
Hindi na ako bibigay. Sige. Bala.
Didi kat. Paano? Shop ba ba sa shop?
Hindi. Yun, di ba, tumaas yung doon sa ibang Big! Ko nga yung kapatid mo at Hindi na ako makakabigay sa iyo. Wag na.
Tawad mo kasi.
Doon nga sa taas. Yung may box.
Inventory. I'm gonna take the cookie.
Sa inventory. Nakikinig ka ba? Sa taas na. Taas. Doon sa may yung parang triangle, yung box. Doon, kahit ng class. Scroll down ka. Pag nakita mo avatar ko, i-click mo, tapos yan, nag-pop up ng profile at trade. Pag ako dyan, kinukontrol ko na nga lagi yun.
Oh yeah, cat! Oh yeah, cat! Oh yeah! Oh, naklik na kita! Let's go, cat!
I-click mo yung, trade. I-click.
I want it.
Yung trade. Opa, wala ako na pop-up na trade.
Wait lang kasi, ngani.
I-click mo lang. Hindi mo lang i-click yung profile. I-click mo yung trade.
Oy, Bisan, daw makatayo. Tawag.
Wala na akong makakakita. Sige, wag na lang.
Mag-share screen ka kasi kaya ako hindi makita eh.
Tapos hindi naman kita.
Hindi daw kita. Babalik nga ni sa call.
Love you, Dad. Yes, please. Love you. Pati mo na ba kayo?
Diba?
Si ate pala na. Punta ka to.
Tama.
Oo nga eh. Ate, siya wala shooting. Siya wala shooting. Ate, siya wala shooting. Siya wala shooting. Ate, siya shooting. I know.
Kumain ka roon. Ako siya kumain. Bullshit ka. Huwag kang kumain.
Got that? What do you mean? What's the matter? What's the matter? Oh, boy. I died. What? Funny matter? Oh, ganda. Gumayon.
Sige, mag-ingay kayo. Hindi na ako mag-change. Be, where are you?
Ano ako? Nasara na.
Ay, kaibat.
Yes, Kimberly.
Ikaw, doon yung file ni bed clinic ba? Yung katabi ito doon sa plus. Yung plus. No. Yung box. Yung nakabigay. Scroll down ka. Scroll down ka. Nakita ka. I-click mo. Ito yung trade, oh. Oh. Ay. Oh, ito, oh.
Hi.
Yung sa baba.
Hi, guys. My robot. Hi, Dada. My robot. Wait lang, di ko nakita.
Ano na nga yung sister mo? Kasali ka ba?
Wait lang. Paano ulit? Di ko nakita nga ni. Oh, punta ka sa event. Oh, ayan na. Na-click ko na.
Clinic ko na. Nakita mo event. Yung kasama yung vlog doon. Scroll down ka, mag-speed down kayo.
Speed down.
Scroll down.
Speed down. Speed down.
Sa baba.
Oh, I was do that. Put that pushing.
Tapos.
Wait lang nga. How dare you ka? Wait lang.
Scroll down.
Hey, stop you me.
Crack.
Huh?
Doon sa box. Nakasabi, event.
Ate, the one studying.
Me! I-control mo nga yung brother mo.
Totoo ka kasi respawn ka, respawn. Para mamatay tayo. Ay, pansito. Magkumain. Oh, naklik ko na event.
Hindi mo i-click. Click mo yung X. Diba? May box na ikan. Yung katabi niya ay box. Yeah, pwede po na scroll ka. Pag nakita mo avatar ko or username mo, ay ko, i-click ba? Doon sa profile. Doon, diba?
Paano yan? Paano yan? Paano yan? Huwag maingay. Ay, di siya? Wait lang, ba? Nalilito ako sa'yo.
Doon nga sa box na event. Doon sa doon.
Oo, napisa ko na.
Ano napisa ako?
Ikaw na lang magpisa ng trade. Ikaw na lang magpisa ng trade.
Ah. Ayawan ka nga.
Oh.
Ayawan po na. Naka-turn off. Naka-turn off yung trade mo. There.
Paano yun?
Gaganito.
Paano nga yun?
Nakasalpod ako. Paano ko i-add?
Siyempre.
Ano, dapat na show yung ano. Ayaw.
Eh, paano nga yun? Ang ani.
Doon nga sa computer, doon ano yung nakasabi, yung ano, trade on or off.
Sophie, wala naman akong ganon. Wala.
Magkamit ka naman tablet ka.
Wala nga, hindi nga gumagamit ng computer. Ang kulit. Ingay.
Wala na. Kung pag-computer, wala na.
Hindi, wag. Wala nga kasi akong ganon.
Wala. Ano, wala na nga tayo.
Diba? Take you dito. Diba? Take you dito. Take you. Alam niyo ito. Huwag ka kasi maingay. Ulit.
Eh, naglayo na lang tayo. Ano, i-change back ko. Kaya match na lang tayo, oh. Oh. Match na lang, oh. Yung na lang.
Made it easy. Made it. Happy birthday. Candy doy. Happy birthday. Candy doy. Happy birthday. Candy doy.
Gaga.
My brain is so good.
Pag ako...
Oh my god. Bro, just kill me. Yeah. Kill me away, bro. Kill me the secret. Kill me. No, it is. Oh, baby Gaga Yaga. Giga. Hey, Gaga.
Wala na yung mix dito, ah.
Bro. Hey, go.
Bago naman.
La. Okay.
Ano yun? Ba? Ano nang ginagawa na?
Magsuklay ha. Patayin niyo sa TV kung hindi kayo manonood.
Oh, si Papa nga.
Wala si Papa. Umalis na iba.
Mamaya.
Kaya nga mami abay ganyan. Nakasaksa.
Oo.
Maandar ang ano niyan. Kuryente. May okay na.
Paano? Tangani kasi wala na akong pinipisaan doon sa event.
Kaya kayo dalawa.
Ano na katabi ng event? Wala namang katabi yung event. Yes.
What na?
Sleepy! Iba kasi yung ano ginagawa mo eh.
Dapat hindi mo cellphone, hindi yung tablet or computer.
Eh, si Papa nagbili sa akin. Eh, anong gagawin ko? Tatapon? How do you mean?
Ito nga sabi ko tapon, you need lang phone.
Which 10 to unlock trading. Unlock ko pa yung trading.
O, diba?
O, diba? Ikaw yung nagsabi mag-trade. Do something.
So, you need to be good at MM2.
Hindi nga kasi ako marunong. Marunong lang ako dun sa PC Sandbox. Let's do that. Let's do that.
Tapos lang yung na.
What the freak? Cyber ako! What the freak?
Saan ikaw? Huwag ka kill. Umakil. Tinuturo lang nga.
Ate, is it me? No. Wait.
Don't.
So much to do. I fake mirror.
Tinututo na nga kayo.
I told you.
Ba't nakita? Yan!
Baby Dada! Let's go, Baby Dada! Let's go! Hindi wag. Let's go, Baby Dada! Hindi wag. Go, Baby Dada! Hindi wag maglaro. Dada.
Wala ka na. Hindi alam. Training na nga. Ginamit ko lang yung sandbox kasi wala akong pera tukol sa weekend.
Ate Ching! Huwag kang maingay!
Ala!
Fine, where do we Mr. Oh, take that! Anyway, Mr. Ganyan talaga yung true colors mo, naka-video ka, Sophie. Umipe. 1, 2, Rabida. Boom. 2, Daddy.
Anong 12 videos? Wala ka.
Ate Sophie. Ben, naka-video to talaga sa YouTube. Ate. Shall we do my sugar? Obvious.
Okay, so?
Makikita talaga true colors mo. I'm sorry. Boom, 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 Bahala ka nga, Sophie. Bahala ka dyan. Laro ka lang. Me or her. Chat me. Anyways, guys. Nag-away naman kami. Sorry. Sophie. Yes, Sophie. Mushroom now. Sophie. Sophie! Yes, Sophie baby. Hello, Sophie. Shopee not speaking. Okay, start. Ito yung Shopee gun toy. At yung Shopee gun ko. There's Shopee gun. I have the game. I have the game too. This is why I found the best like this. Where are they going, Shopee? What's the matter? What's up, buddy? Pick innocent. Every time I pick innocent, I want to be scared. I'll stop with the game. I'm happy with the game. Now what? Nagalit lang ako.
High blood kasi ako.
Te, wala ka. Gamit nga ni computer.
Oo. High blood ako at high blood dami. Lagi ako high blood.
High blood, bata pa. Aray mo. Ay, lumulog!
Ay, aray mo. Sikat-sikat na high blood. Aray mo. Sabi na, ay! Ayoko na.
Oy, naalala mo yung kinanta niya kay Sayon nung parang nag-away tayo? Sabi niya, ba't ka galit? Ba't ka galit? Ba't ka galit? Ayun ko sa'yo, no, si Anger. Kasi
Sabi ko
magkasigal.
naman, sige, papalit ka. Hindi naman high blood yung bata. Kala.
Oh, di ba ikaw Vice President?
Oo, ako yung vice president doon.
I'm sorry, di na tayo magkikita.
Bakit?
We're moving to America.
Weh,
I pinky promise.
kaka. Sige, ay mali. Ay
Pero
mali.
7 days lang kami doon. So I will be
Weh.
back soon.
Pero nga tayo.
Wait lang, nagsusuklay pa. Yung sugat ko sa ulo.
Ay, sana all fresh. Sana all fresh. That's fresh. Aray mo.
Sana all fresh, pero hindi ka pinili.
Sana all fresh. Hindi ka tinili. Ay,
Kumuha siya ng butike, ba't di ka niya pinili sa uli? Kumuha siya ng ipis, ba't di ka niya pinili?
Ay! Nagkuha ka ng subject, hindi naman sub sa iyo. Ay!
1 plus 1, ini 1. 2 plus 2, lapu-lapu. 3 plus 3, Christmas tree. 4 plus 4, iyak pa more. 5 plus 5, bolt is 5. 6 plus 6, siksikan. 7 plus 7, 7-11. 8 plus 8, walang kadate. 9 plus 9, magic night. 10 plus 10, umutot ka pa rin.
Build mo ka ba?
Wait lang kasi! Susukay pang tao. Halagpag kasi yung mukha ko dyan eh.
May high blood pa yung mga tao. Ikaw sila high blood na ako sa iyo. Ay!
Kasi na high blood na si Crush sa'yo.
At naka-high blood na si mama sa iyo kasi di ka lagi nagsiselfone. Ay, di ka lagi nag-wawalis.
Ay! Na-high blood na si mami sa'yo kasi di ka daw naglilinis, di ka nagwawalis, di ka nag-uurong, di ka naglalaba, di ka naglilinis sa bahay, di ka tumutulong, di mo ininis ilaan mo, di mo nililinis yung buong bahay, di ka sampay, hindi ka nag-aayos ng igaan ng pamilya mo, di ka nag-aayos ng kusina, di ka nag-aayos ng bathroom, di ka naglilinis ng bathroom, di mo naalagaan yung brother mo, di mo naalagaan yung mga pinsan mo, walang pake, hindi mo naalagaan pinsan mo, di mo naalagaan yung what the freak? What the freak are you doing?
Kiss pa boy! Kiss pa boy! Kiss boy! Ngayon na nga tayo!
Wait lang!
Okay!
Mag-ano ba?
Ay, grabe.
Eh!
High blood na tao. Ben! Lera tayo!
Wala pa! Yes, guys. Goodbye!